Okay, so welcome back. Up to this point, we've been working with predefined functions. And so today we're going to start making our own functions, which we call user-defined functions. All right, so what is a function? A function is a building block in Python, which you can use to combine a set of instructions that can be executed under one name. All right, so let me jump into my Sublime Text and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so my Sublime Text over here, we're going to talk about functions. So in Python, we use the def keyword to define a function, and then we give this function a name. Okay, those set of instructions that we want executed, we give them a name. So let's say we want to do a self-intro. That is the set of instructions that we want, and then we put parentheses, and then the block of those instructions begin with a colon like this. And then once you get onto the next line, you will see this line is indented. All right, so what do we want this function to do? Maybe we want to print my name is blah, 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 blah. So we can combine these logical statements as many as we want. So I want to say my favorite color is blah, blah, blah. Okay, I enjoy playing blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is my self-intro. And so we have combined these three instructions under this name. So each time I want these three instructions to be executed, I'll have to call this name, including those parentheses. What you need to do is you want to copy this name over here, Control C, and then you want to Control V down here, and once you save and run, you'll see these three instructions have been executed. All right, so this is how we define a function. All right, so first we use the def keyword followed by the name. Naming convention is you want your function to be descriptive. Going back, all right, so we can define a function by using the def keyword. And then we begin the block of code by putting a colon. All right, check it out. That is the correct answer. You can call this as many times as you want. I can call this 10 times, 20 times. So this is the idea of creating what we call reusable code. Now I don't have to write this each time I want to introduce myself. I'll just call this name self-intro, and then it's going to put this down. So if I save and run this, you can see down here, my name is my favorite color I'm enjoying. My name is my favorite color I'm enjoying. My blah, blah, blah. Okay, so these instructions have been repeated multiple times. So how many times you wish to, you can call these instructions. All right, so try to answer the question. It says we should rearrange the code to declare a function, say hi, and call it. All right, so define say hi, and then parentheses, and then colon, and then the next statement has to be indented, whatever is in the block of that particular code, of that function, it has to be indented. And then each time you call the function, you have to use the name of the function and parentheses like this. Check it out, that's the correct answer. All right, so we're done. In our next video, we're going to talk about function arguments. We have to talk about function arguments. All right, thank you for your time. Hope to see you in our next video. For now, I'm out. Bye-bye.